Have you ever thought about taking an online quilting course, but then you've wondered, will it actually teach me everything I need to know? It's a really good question, and the short answer is sometimes yes and sometimes no. So in today's video, I am going to talk about what online courses are great for and what they sometimes don't include, and what you need to look out for if you want to make sure that the course you choose is truly beginner friendly. Who am I? I am Kim. This is Quilt with Kim, or even this is Quilt with Kim. You, my lovely, are very, very welcome. Let's start with the good news. Okay, online courses can be brilliant, especially if they're designed properly. You get to learn at your own pace. You can pause and rewind whenever you want. You can watch things close up. And that's something you can't always do in a busy in-person class where the tutor's at the front or you're peering over somebody's shoulder. And if you're short on time, or you don't have a local class near you, or even if you're a bit shy, then learning online can be the perfect solution for you. That said, not all online courses are created equal. Some skip over the absolute basics, like what presser foot you need, how to press your seams, what stitch length you need, or even what a 1/4 inch seam actually means. Others rush through the steps without explaining why you're doing what you're doing, which can leave you feeling confused if anything goes wrong. And sometimes it's just lonely. You don't always have anyone to ask if you're stuck. And that's one of the reasons why I started creating my own courses, because I wanted to make sure that beginners had all the support they needed, not just a set of videos with some fancy music playing over the top and no explanations. So if you're thinking about learning to quilt online, there are a few things that you need to look out for. Firstly, is it truly beginner friendly? As in, they don't assume that you've got prior knowledge. Are there clear close-up video demos, not just videos from the other side of the table looking at the instructor, because that is not very useful? Does the tutor explain why things matter, not just what to do? Are there written instructions or printable patterns that you can download alongside the videos? And ideally, is there any kind of support, like a Facebook group, or where you can put comments and ask questions, or even just email the instructor? Those things make a huge difference to how much you learn and how confident that you feel afterwards. So do online courses teach you everything you need to know? Yes, they can, if they're designed with beginners in mind and they walk you through every step without assuming that you already know the basics. If you want to see what that looks like, I've got a few beginner-friendly courses on my website that are designed to be friendly, frustration-free, and explained in plain English. No jargon, no overwhelm at all. So you can go and check those out. I'll put the link in the description below. And if you're a beginner right at the very start of your journey, you might want to grab my brand new Quilters Quick Start Toolkit, which you can grab and download for yourself just by using the link in the description below. I do hope that has helped. If it has, please do like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on my weekly tips and tutorials. And you might want to spend a few minutes watching this video that is coming up next. Bye for now.